show you Magic Mouse version 2. I have selected black one, so I think that this is a lot visually better than the white one. Pretty nice. So let's see what is inside the box. So we have cable for charging, the standard white lightning cable, but no charger, so you need to connect this USB in some source like laptop. Next we have a nice brochure, short one, with instruction how to charge, enabled mouse, and some additional information about mouse itself. So now I will show you how to charge it. Simple connecting to the MacBook Air. As you see, computer is recognizing it as soon as you connect the cable. So we have notification. You can also check the settings and assign the click, point and gestures as you wish, aligned to yourself. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel, comment, give me like or something as you wish. Please be active. Thank you very much.